Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today I'm going to be trying out Lillian Okibe's temporary locks on a short 4C hair. And with that being said, let's jump right into the video. I'm just going to spray in some water. After spraying in some water, I will put in some shea butter and then start making my parts. So when I'm done getting the section I want to braid, I'll just detangle a little, add some more shea butter, and then divide the hair into 3 sections. After dividing, I make a little tight braid, about half an inch. And after this tight braid, I'm going to make a loose braid. But trying to hold this hair without holding the end, you are going to make tight braid. So I just went back to loose. So that was when I started holding the ends. Holding the ends gave me loosed braid, but I still had to use my hands to open the braid sometimes. So here, I was getting used to making it already. So I just made my parts here, divided the hair into 3, and started making really tight braids, and then went in with making really loose braids. I think this temporary lock is really a good idea. You and I know that locking your hair these days is really expensive, so this can help you save costs, and also it can help you decide if you really want to lock your hair or not. So it's better you do the temporary one first, so when you really want to actually lock your hair, you can do the permanent lock. So guys, when I feel like the braids are not really loosed, I just go in with my hands and use it to open the braid like I did with this hair, like this. One thing you need to do when you are making this hair is, instead of braiding all the way to the end, you can just get to a certain point and then you get your shea butter and use it to thaw the ends instead of braiding to the end. This will help you when you are taking down this hair, I promise you guys. So guys, that is it for this video. We're almost done. So thank you so much for coming back. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. It will really help me grow. Thank you so much for coming back. I'll see you next week, Wednesday. Bye.